If you want to get the latest version of Skrill app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Skrill app. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, by updating your Skrill app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be affecting your app or associated with your current version of Skrill app. To update your app, you need to go ahead and search for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store. And then from Play Store, go ahead and first log in with your Gmail, and you should see a search bar on top here. But as you can see, I don't have the search bar. If you can't see yours, just go ahead and tap on search icon down below, and now the search bar will appear. Go ahead and tap on it, then search by word. Just type in Skrill. This will take you to the official Skrill app that you installed on your smartphone. As you can see, I have an update, so I'll go ahead and tap on update to download and install the latest version of this Skrill Pay and Transfer Money app. From here, now I can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Skrill app. So that's how you can update your Skrill app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.